neighbors, it's Cody from Secondhand Farms, and today we're on a trip to West Siloam Springs. It's kind of a bittersweet day. I say that because, well, our dog Sven, a lot of you guys see him in all of our videos, he was in an accident, somebody hit him, and he's no longer with us. And it was a pretty hard day for all of us, especially the wife and the daughter. Anyways, but we found this dog. Funny is, it's pretty close to where we were camping last week at Natural Falls State Park. Anyways, but this one is a Great Pyrenees and Akbash mix. He's going to be pretty good size. His name's Bruce. Seems like he'll probably be a pretty good dog. He's about the same age as Sven. That's why we're going to get him. I would love to have another puppy so we could train him like we did Sven, and because he was a great dog. He was only 8 months old, and he was already patrolling the property, and he was livestock safe, and it was more than just a pet loss when he got hit, because well, he was another hand, you know. He took care of the place. So we just don't have time with kids coming in February to March. We don't have time to train another puppy. It's just not feasible. So we found Bruce. Like I said, he's 8 months old. He's about the same age as Sven. So hoping he'll work out for us. Definitely be a learning curve for both of us. He hasn't traveled much, according to the guy that we're buying him from. So he's probably going to be pretty shook up, and it's going to be a day or two before he's probably super friendly with us. But could be wrong. He might be a cool guy. We'll find out. We found him on MeWe. It's an app you can download. I'm sure it's for Apple devices. I have it on my Android. I'll try and put a link in the description if I can figure that out. Since Facebook has gotten so PETA friendly, I guess you'd call it, they shut down any kind of dog selling, cat selling, any kind of pet stuff. My good buddy Austin, we've been friends so long we forgot which one was the bad influence.
It's you.
Oh, is it? And I don't know if you can see her back there, the daughter, she's been passed out since Vanita. So I guess hang tight and we'll check him out and see you later. Alright, so we made it back home. It was a long drive for a dog that hasn't traveled much. He had a couple accidents back there, and it was pretty smelly, but he's pretty stressed. So here he is. He's in the dog house. I'm not gonna stress him out too much. I'm just gonna let him kind of chillax and maybe kind of get used to things a little bit before we just take off and go crazy with messing with him. So he seems like he's a pretty nice dog. He's very well temperamented. He's supposed to be keeping the daughter away from him. Sue, stay away. He's stressed out. He's going to be getting the daughter to ease into letting him get used to her, because I think she's already used to him. There's not an animal I don't think she's met that she doesn't like. So that's Bruce. Glad you guys got to come along with us. Had a lot of fun. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you're not already, and ring that notification bell. And share with your friends. Get the word out there. We're still working on material, but the more we get, the cool. So it's been a few weeks since the start of the video. A lot of things has kind of been going on. We hadn't had much time to do videos, and I apologize for that. But here's Bruce. He's starting to fit in a little bit better. Still learning. Definitely not Sven, but you're not going to get another Sven. He was a once in a lifetime kind of dog. But anyways, he's doing pretty good. Still gets excited. Kind of once you get him calmed down and he realizes you guys are going to go do something, he calms down pretty good. He leads a lot better than he did when he got home. We had him in the pen for a few days and he was doing good with the goats. He was doing real good, and then one morning he jumped out. So he's kind of been on leash parole for a while, and we have him on a cable, and we put him in during the day and we take him out at night. And I'd like to think maybe we can try him again in the pen. I wish we had things together a little bit better and we could have done it while we're on kind of Thanksgiving holiday, when we're going to be for sure home and around and kind of keep an eye on him. But I'm gonna say hi, Bruce. Say hi. Yeah. Anyways, we're working on it. He's getting better. Daughter's out there playing with the goats. Girl loves her animals.